Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to open a box of Hoops Tmall Edition. You can see down at the bottom it says look for 8 exclusive Asia parallels. Let's see if it tells what those are. Unwrap first rookie cards. Yes, we know this. Look for autographs from top rookies and stars. Base hyper blue. This hyper gold. Some numbered stuff. Legends of the Ball. That's a good name for an insert. Alright, well, it's not really telling us, but I guess we'll see them. Only 40 cards, so keeping with my theme of trying to keep the number of cards I'm opening down as far as just total number. That's a good thing. Alright, Tmall. Oh, I like that they have the little, I love this little logo. Cool beans, man. Let's get in here and see what we can get. Oh, this is 2021. I don't think I said that. Alright, so we're going to get 4 packs. Let's get something ready. Let's assume we're going to get something that's worthy of sitting in that stand. There we go. We're going to law of attraction. Something good. Here we go. Good old Joe. I see something shiny in the back. There's Bam, Chris, Anthony Edwards rookie, nice. A Jalen Smith, like a red and blue something. It looks good. Not numbered. This one is a Kendrick Nunn. It's all red to 99. Anthony Edwards we got next. Rookie insert. Now playing Pritchard. And I can't say his name. I stumble on it every time. I'd say that's a good start. Nice first pack. Eek. I ripped that one up. Hercules, Hercules. See some shiny silver in here. Michael Porter Jr., Colin Sexton. Good old shake, 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 shake your body. Terrence Davis. A Kogi. A red blue of James Harden. And then a blue Blake Griffin. Doesn't appear to be numbered like the all red was. Making sure I'm not overlooking anything. Kyra Lewis Jr. we got next rookie. Now playing quickly. And Kareem Abdul-Jabbar tribute holofoil. God, I said that so southern. Holofoil. It's really hard for us to say foil. I always just say it holofoil. All right. Pack 3. Bagley. Johnson. Warren. Kevin Knox. A Bay rookie. Come on, we need some rookie parallels. Fournier blue. Oh, here's something different. A Trae Young courtside red. Looks pretty good. And then R.J. Hampton. Balmaro now playing. And Cole Anthony now playing. I like these. These look really good. I'm sure the parallel versions, if they exist, are good too. Look good too. All right, last pack. Cody Zeller, Baisley, Hardaway Jr., Drew, Jaylen Brown, our parallel, blue Seth Curry, a Asia, I hope I'm saying that right, blue-red rookie. Finally got us a rookie parallel. Not bad at all. That's all we got next. Anthony Edwards now playing, and our last card is yep, there's the parallel. That silver hollow foil looks good. I knew it would. Anyways, that's it. I really like the Tmall stuff. I really do. I love that you're getting... Oh, I didn't... What the world? I need somebody to volunteer for this spot. There we go. James Harden can go there. I really like the idea that not everybody's buying this stuff, and the parallels, there's not going to be a cajillion of them out there. So I like that idea. Whenever I can find an affordable Tmall product, I buy it. And I keep that in mind, affordable. Right now, the basketball stuff is, I don't know, is there such a thing as Tmall baseball products? I don't think there, I don't recall seeing any. I know there's football for sure, because I've opened Tmall Donruss Elite, or just Elite, whatever you want to call it, and it was really good. And the price, I opened a couple of those, and then the price went up, and I stopped buying them. But if you get a chance to get those of any year at a reasonable price, I'd say under 100, just under 100, I'd say go for it. Those exclusive parallels, and man, it's really easy to pull low-numbered stuff out of that. So anyways, I'm babbling on. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. I'll see you again soon. Bye.